Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, we are going to learn creating an image with hyperlink. While clicking the image, how we can go and how we can redirect it to another page or any product information page if we want such a requirement. How simple it is, we are going to see. I'm not doing a big thing here. I'm doing simply by combination and mixing of these two things. How simple it is, let's see here. See, I'm preparing a simple A-link first by writing some around HTTP, any of website you can write. Any of website or any of your new web page, if you want to create like a about.html, like a contact.html, any of new pages, or if you are created, you can write the page name title also here. All right, or biography, portfolio, this way. www.harisystems.com, this website I'm writing here, and just simply I'm writing here, and here in between a tag, what I am trying to doing, instead of writing click here, I'm adding image here. That's it. Let's see here, I'm adding img image tag. src, it's asking no, my apple only I'm using. If you want any like a new information, any photograph or any person or any logo, you can use it, which are free. Okay, the png, if an education purpose, you can apply the things, no problem. So that's apple also, I need to apply like a height and width, otherwise it will go for big. So the height and width, these things are here. I'm taking a copy over here, just take a copy and paste. That's it, my job is done. So now if I open this, right click, open in a browser, just if I refresh, see, this is apple is without link. First apple is without link, the second apple is with the link. So the mouse cursor is also, first apple is showing arrow, the second apple is showing hand symbol. So it's having a clickable option. If I click this, the second apple, it is redirecting to my site. See how beauty it is. If I click this, it will be. If you want to redirect in a new page, all what you do here, very simply, you will add here this target underscore blank. See here, you need to add, paste, that's it. Once you know the basic, you will understand how to take a copy and paste. You need not to bother about it all. So refresh the page. If I click here, it will open new tab. If I click here, it will open new tab. So the same way, product information is going to be presenting at all e-commerce sites. Whenever you see some products are displaying very accurately. So the product, whenever you are trying to buy, if you want to buy page, if you click that image, it will redirect and take you the another page which the product more information and payment informations and all. This way they'll approach the steps. All right, and we'll see more interesting concepts in the tags in the next lecture. Thank you.